Hi friends, here comes Abhidashi's all-in-one. Today I am going to show you pot painting and decoration. Please watch the video till the end because we are going to discuss so many interesting things in between. Materials required are pot, fabric colors and any brush and also decorating materials. Here I am using blue color. I started painting like this. I'm covering the outer part of the pot completely with blue color. Let it dry for 5 minutes. Here I am using lace, patches, mirrors, kundans and pearls for decoration. Now we start decorating the pot with mirrors like this. Here we are using two types of mirrors. One is in circle shape and another one is in mango shape. Now we are repeating the same thing here. Now we are using patch and pearls here. Now we are repeating the same thing. Now we are using lace. We are attaching the lace like this. Now we are using stone chains. Now attaching small kundans here. Friends, in this episode I am explaining coloring and decoration also. In next episodes I am going to tell you different types of paintings on pot. Now we are decorating the lower border of the pot with stone chain. Now we are filling the gaps in between like this. We are using pearls and round kundans. Now we are attaching stone chains in the V-shaped manner like this. We are decorating on all sides in the same manner. I already told you in the beginning that we are going to discuss interesting facts. So today's our additional learning topic is about dark chocolates. Today I am going to tell you about the benefits of dark chocolates. Dark chocolates are abundant in vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron and copper. Reduces the risk of stroke and promotes heart health. Lessens the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. May help to sharpen your brain and keep you smart. It is a natural mood booster. Let it dry for few minutes. See the pot, the color combination and the decoration. Now we are decorating the lower border with kundans like this. Friends, I gave an idea. You people try to decorate the pot with whatever material you have. Actually, I have not chosen any design prior to start of this activity. I am just going ahead with whatever design comes into my mind spontaneously. But I think the final outcome is really very nice. The color combination and the decoration. Whatever material we used here like mirrors, kundans, lace, pearls, stone chains, everything added beauty to this part. For today's episode, interesting fact is Anandibai Gopal Joshi was the first lady doctor of India, was one of the earliest female physicians in India. She was the first woman from India to earn a degree in Western medicine in the United States. So here is our beautifully decorated part in my hand. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.